We now turn to the vocabulary for Chapter 5. First, batach, to trust or have confidence. For review, note that the beit has a dagesh. Is that a dagesh lene or a dagesh forte? Well, remember that beit is one of the bagad kafat letters, and as such, if the beit follows a vowel, it would be said with a soft sound as a v. However, because it is beginning the word, and at least in a vocabulary list has no vowel preceding it, it is said with the hard sound, b, and that is indicated by a dagesh lene. So batach, to trust or have confidence. Ga'al, to redeem or reclaim. Zavach, to slaughter or sacrifice. Chashav, to think, assume, or plan. Kaved, to be heavy or weigh heavily upon, or to be honored. Note that this pattern, with the sere as the second vowel, is a stative pattern most likely, and in fact is with this verb. The adjective form, kaved, which looks identical, but when used in the context where it's obviously an adjective modifying a noun, is heavy, thick, or oppressing. Lavash, to put on or clothe. And then levush, a noun form of that root, garment. Lachad, to catch or overthrow. And then madua, the why or on what account. Now notice the dagesh in the dalet, because even though this is a bagad kafat letter, notice that here it follows the vowel sound, the ma. As such, we know then that this dalet must have a dagesh in it, which is a dagesh forte, a doubling dagesh. If it were not a doubled letter, effectively d, then there would be no dagesh present. Next we have mizbeach. Now notice in this case, the zayin has a silent schwa underneath, miz. Because it follows the short hirek under the mem, the first syllable of the word is miz, and there is not a vowel sound immediately preceding the beit. Therefore, this dagesh in the beit is again a dagesh lene, simply making the b sound, mizbeach. Note also the furtive patach under the chet. Remember that that is an aid to pronunciation, but as a vowel, as a furtive patach, cannot take a stress. So mizbeach. Next, mispar, number or quantity. Navi, prophet. Naga, to touch or strike. Nagash, to approach, draw near, or step forward. Nasa, to tear out, pull up, or to journey further on, which you can imagine involves tearing out your tent stakes, if that helps you think about the relationship and how to remember the gloss. Nafal, to fall. Saviv, as an adjective surrounding or on all sides, or if used more as a noun, the surroundings. And finally, safar, to count or record.